So hey everybody, welcome to our first YouTube video. Some of this video we actually filmed outside today. Not the greatest day. It's cold, it's windy, it's southern Alberta, Canada, so we've got about -8. But with the wind chill factor, definitely getting around that -20. So anyways, we wanted to start this one off inside, introduce ourselves. My wife Lisa, I'm Brad. We're from Redcliffe, Alberta, Canada, and the name of our channel, of course, if you're here, you already know that, but our channel is Fith, Wheeln, Food, and Fixn. So I don't really have enough content to just pick one of the three, so we wanted to take you on some adventures with us in our trailer as we go to RVing in the summertime, spring and fall. Food, basically going to be all stuff that we create. We love to cook. We think we're good cooks. That's, of course we do, we're biased, right? And also Fixn. So coming from a heavy duty background, I build diesel engines and actually the F350 Super Duty that you'll see towing our rig in our videos. Engine was built by myself, custom built transmission by some fantastic people down in Missoula, Montana, to be able to hold that extra power that we built into the truck. And so today, just a quick walk around our trailer. It is winter, it's in the storage yard, and we just like to go once or twice in the winter, check on everything, make sure it's okay. Sometimes the extreme cold weather can do things, and sometimes there's people that want your stuff more than you do, and they break windows or doors and go get your TV out of your fifth wheel. Happened a few years ago, but in this new lot, no issues at all so far. So anyways, today up here in Canada is Family Day here in Alberta, so it's a day off for us. Alberta, BC, I believe New Brunswick, Ontario, and Saskatchewan all celebrate Family Day. In Prince Edward Island, way out on the east coast, that's going to be Islander Day, and Louis Riel Day in Manitoba, or we call the Keystone Province. So anyways, also being a little traveled, we do love the US. We spend a lot of time down there camping and have some friends down in Montana. So anyways, happy President's Day to our American brothers and sisters. And anyways, so I'll apologize in advance for this first video. We are new. We do have a GoPro, so there will be some hopefully interesting edits that we can put in, maybe show you some things that you didn't really know were going on under your hood and in your hitch when you're traveling. So we have learned a few things in the 10-12 years that I've had fifth wheels, after I changed over from bumper poles originally, that we've learned from people like you out there. Upgrades on the showers and stuff just to make your RV just that much more homey, comfortable, and efficient. I'll also talk about some solar stuff. We have a pretty decent solar system on there. Being a power engineer, I have a decent background in electrical, so very keen interest in solar power. So anyways, welcome to our first video. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you for lots more. Welcome to the first episode of Fith, Wheeln, Food, and Fixn. So this is Canada, this is southern Alberta, so as you can sort of see, it's winter, and in the winter time the trailer ends up with icicles hanging all over it. We just came here today because we need to have a look at a couple things inside. We have super cold weather. I like to check your floors and stuff. Sometimes flooring can crack in them. So, and we picked a bad day to make this video. It's cold and windy. So anyways, on and about. One of the things I like to do in the winter time is come and check everything out, make sure, do a quick walk around in the trailer. Sometimes we do keep it in a storage lot for the winter, and you can end up having break-ins occasionally, although this place has been really good. Sterling Trailer in Medicine Hat. Mark Semrau has been nothing but a champ to us. This is our fourth RV from him. So, quick walk around. Everything seems to look good. And yes, we also have ours hitched. We do pull a second unit with ours. We're allowed to do that here. So we have a 12-foot enclosed that we pull our Harley Davidson with. And Yeah, no, it looks good. Tires are all up. Well, I can hear the carbon monoxide detector already. Forgot to take the battery out of it this year, so shame on me. Our rig is a 2016 Cougar, so I'm not gonna bother moving slides and stuff in the cold. We'll do a full tour and get through that in the springtime as soon as we make our first trip out. But anything to report up there?
No, everything looks good. I don't think that's ours, carbon
Curious
monoxide.
to see if where's our battery here? Okay, that's, oh, I have the switch shut off outside, forgot. We do also have a full solar system on this rig, so we are self-sufficient. And there was something I wanted to show some other people when we talk about hitches. One of the things that is a problem with fifth wheels is called chucking. And so about not quite a year after we picked this trailer up new, we put this Mow-Ride hitch on here. And how this works is basically it's sitting on these pucks, and it's all rubber block inside. You can't really see, it's too dark in there, but it slides back and forth on these rails. And what that does is allows basically 3 inches of movement forward and backwards, and just a smidge laterally. You can get about an inch side to side. You can see the big rubber block there. Fantastic. One of the best investments that I think I've ever made as far as an accessory. So I encourage you to have a look at them. See if you can find one for your rig. Do some shopping. The prices varied huge and end up saving about was it? I think it was a little over $900, the most expensive. That's Canadian dollars, of course. So it'd be a lot cheaper in the US. And then I ended up, I actually did pick this up in Phoenix for about $450 US. So big savings compared to up here in Canada. But anyways, it's really, really cold out, and we wanted just to start rolling our first episode of our channel. So we're gonna lock this up. Oh, one other thing I forgot. Jeez. In our last trip, I remembered on the hot water heater, the gas one. This one has two. It has electric, and it also has oh, that was good for it. We have electric, and we also have gas. And the safety relief valve here was dripping a little bit, so it might almost be time for a new anode. It's not too bad. This is the anode. If you're not familiar with your hot water tank, it goes in that hole down there where you can drain it. But it's a sacrificial anode, so that instead of eating the metal of the tank itself, you just simply eat the anode away, and you just replace those every few years. But yeah, so I need to get a new relief valve. I have to remember to get that done before we go out this year. Anyways, that's our rig, and our frozen rig. It's sad that we have camping seasons up here, an unfortunate reality when you live up north. So as compared to a lot of you, we live south compared to a lot of other Canadians. But this trailer is an Arctic pack, but it gets a little sketchy towing on the icy roads. So we opt not to go. Plus, where we are, there's really not any much for winter camping spots. There is the odd one, but not in places that would really have anything to do. So anyhow, this is the initial episode. Sorry it's not a ton of information or great wonderful things, but we just wanted to introduce ourselves